all of friends. This is teacher Sandra trying to show you a provocation. As you know, I've been going on walks after I finish working. And yesterday I decided to collect some of the things that I find on the ground in my nature walk. So I found a piece of, tree, a little tiny piece of tree. I found several different kinds of leaves all on the floor. Remember, we never take anything, pull anything out of the trees when they're still alive. Some bark, a rock, you can see a rock, and this very unique leaf. Isn't that cool? Look at the colors. Yes. So what I decided to do is I'm gonna show you how to do a little collage of nature. So I got my glue. So I'm gonna spread my glue. As you can see, I'm spreading my glue all over. And I'm gonna stick all my nature stuff here in the collage. First, I'll start off with this beautiful leaf that I like a lot. There you go. As you can see, I'm going to try to glue the rock, see if it works. We'll see later. And also some of the bark. Here we go. I think I need more glue on this one. Let me see. Okay. Here it goes. I think that's going to work. Oh, I need to have more glue over here for that big leaf. This one is really big. Look at this big leaf. So big. And as you can see now, I have my collage. Oh, let me add this other one over here. This kind of little tiny branch of leaves. You see it? I'm going to put it right here at the corner. But it's up to you wherever you want to put your nature stuff. And what I usually like to do, and as you remember in the olive class, we add some more things to add to the collage. So I decided that I am going to put some numbers on my collage. Number 8. I put some glue. There goes an 8. And I'm going to do... Does anybody know what number this is? Well, the other way around. Okay, that is number 4. I'm going to do number 4 at this corner. Remember how fun we used to have doing our collages in the olive class? And we will soon. And this is number 2. A lot of you guys are number 2. But soon, a lot of you guys will be number 3. So let me put this one over here. I think I still got some glue. Let's find our favorite number, number 3, because all of you guys are becoming 3 big kids. Look at this one. Oh, sorry. Number 3, our most important number at the olive class. Let me put some glue, and I think this one deserves to go right on top, just like all of you guys. Here's my number 3. Yeah, voila. And you can add anything you want. I also have some pom-poms that you may want to do. Anything you can add to your collage. I think it's such a beautiful way of collecting nature. And also make sure you smell the leaves, because some of them have they have such a delicious smell. Well, I hope you like my provocation of collecting nature and making a collage with numbers. Miss you guys. And remember, keep yourself busy. Hope to see you soon. Ciao.